A Military Industry Website Guide. Chapter 1. The military industry is the biggest industry in the world. Defense Military News Publications Talk. Amphibiousnecessity.blogspot.co.uk, Naval Requirements. atwar.blogs.newyorktimes.com, at war, Notes from the Front Lines, at war blog. Aviationintel.com. Aviationweek.com. aviationweek.com/blogs.aspx. black5.net. defensismmits.wordpress.com, Globa, Defense blog. defensecontractormarketing.com. defensemedianetwork.com. defensenews.com. defenseone.com, Defense One. defensetech.org, Defense Tech. .buzz.com, online defense and acquisition journal for Washington insiders. lexingtoninstitute.org/early-warning-blog, Lexington Institute. livefistdefense.com, livefist. longwarjournal.org, the Long War Journal. snafu-solomon.blogspot.com, snafu. stratfor.com, strat4. theaviationist.com, the aviationist. theaviationist.com, the aviationist. thinpinstripheadline.blogspot.com, thin pinstriped line. udt-global.com. UK Armed Forces Commentary.blogspot.it, UK Armed Forces Commentary. Military Equipment Knowledge Websites. AIRBORNE-SYS.com. AUSAWD.com, Air Warfare Destroyer. BELL505.com, Bell 505 Jet Ranger X. LEARJET85.com. BrahMos.com. C-27J.com. DDG1000.com. Eurofighter.com. Army.mil/FCS, Future Combat Systems, FCS. GDLCS.com, General Dynamics Littoral Combat Ship Team. grobspn.com. grypen.com. JSF.mil, Joint Strike Fighter. America's New Tanker.com. KillerBEUAs.com. LMLCsteam.com, Lockheed Martin. MA60.com. MRJ-JAPAN.com, Mitsubishi Regional Jet, MRJ. NIMR4X4.com. LHD.10EX.com. ScorpionJet.com. TBM850.com. TeamJSF.com. UH-72A.com. UH-145.com. Y-12.com.cn. Y8F400.com.cn. Military Industry Knowledge Websites. blog.usni.org, Naval Institute. informationdissemination.net, Maritime Strategy and Communication. smallwarsjournal.com. flightglobal.com/blog/the-do-line, the do-line. charlestondca.org/cic, Charleston Defense Contractors Association. chema-root.org/commerce/associations/defense_manufacturers_association. accenture.com. adians.ca. aden.org.au. army-guide.com. asdcompanies.com. corpwatch.org. dailycommercialnews.com. defense.gov.au. defense.lk. defense.gov. defenseconference.com. defenseindustrydaily.com. defensenews.com. dfwa.org.au. engineeringnews.co.za. envisionscascadia.com. higginsonassociates.com. innovasjohnnorge.no. milpac.com. nationalnewswatch.com. nzdia.co.nz. singapore-companies-directory.com, statanfederalbids.com, milairpics.com, aircraft photographs, american-firearms.com, a-tradex.com, aviation trade experts, mapsofworld.com, elsnorkel.com, forecasts.org, gedespro3d.com, arteashoke.co.il maps, etc. acq.osd.mil/jctd, Joint Capability Technology Demonstration. mastercontrol.com/industries/aerospace.html, software. cbc.gov.tw, 10 Central Bank of China. .buzz.com, Online Defense and Acquisition Journal. EAA.org, Experimental Aircraft Association. EBAA.org, European Business Aviation Association. ECB.int, European Central Bank. ERA.org, European Regions Airline Association. ICAO.int, International Civil Aviation Organization. IMF.org, International Monetary Fund. GONWA.com, Defense Review. MRIResearch.org, Midwest Research Institute. NATO.int, North Atlantic Treaty Organization. OECD.org, Organization for Economic Cooperation and Development. UN.org, United Nations. aeroinfo.com.cn. AIAA.org, American Institute of Aeronautics and Astronautics. AIAA. AIRFORCE-TECHNOLOGY.com. airlineupdate.com. anac.gov.br. antiwar.com. arabaviation.com. armedforcesjournal.com. asd-europe.org, Aerospace and Defense. ausa.org. bankofengland.co.uk. bharat-rakshak.com. burjlenvets.org. Burghelan Veterans Association. caac.gov.cn, General Administration of Civil Aviation of China. caaindia.com, Chimes Aviation Academy. cctv.com. cesa-shipbuilding.org, Community of European Shipyards Association. CESA. cia.gov, Central Intelligence Agency, CIA. cnn.com. cntv.cn. counterpunch.org, Politics. DARPA.mil, Defense Advanced Research Projects Agency, DARPA. debca.com. ddefensa.org. defense.pk, Pakistan Defense. defence-data.com. defensejournal.com. defensetalk.com, Global Military and Defense Portal. defense.gov.fr/sites/DGACOMA Delegation General pour l'Armement, DGA. defense-aerospace.com. defenselink.mil/cio-nii, Chief Information Officer. defensenews.com. defensetech.org. defense-update.com. dia.mil, Defense Intelligence Agency, DIA. d-n-i.net, Defense and the National Interest. dodmedia.osd.mil, Defense Visual Information Center, DVIC. drdo.org, India Defense Research and Development Organization. dscia.mil, Defense Security Cooperation Agency, DSCA. dsg.mod.uk. Defense Support Group. dvidshub.net. ebaa.org. eda.europa.eu, European Defense Agency. ekatheimrini.com. fbi.gov. federalreserve.gov. focusmag.co.uk. fsoz.gov.ru, Russian Defense Procurement Agency. globalresearch.ca, haaretz.com, icao.int, iisc.ern.in, Indian Institute of Science, imf.org, interfax.ru, isl.eu, itar-tass.com, jaxa.jp, jdw.janes.com, Janes Defense Weekly, jpl.nasa.gov, Jet Propulsion Laboratory, gonwa.com, leap2020.eu, lexingtoninstitute.org, lookoutnewspaper.com, malaysiandefense.com, mdb.cast.ru, Moscow Defense Brief, milavaya.net, militaryphotos.net, mriresearch.org, nasm.si.edu, National Air and Space Museum, nbaa.org, ncsconline.org, National Center for State Courts, neoproduits.com, nsa.gov, National Security Agency, nvr.navy.mil, US Navy Naval Vessel Register, osce.org, pakistanidefense.com, peoships.crane.navy.mil, US Navy Program Executive Office Ships, portalmilita.net, Portugal, pravda.ru, presstv.ir, quad-a.org, Army Aviation Association of America AAAA, ryan.ru, RIA Novosti, rosprom.gov.ru, Federal Agency on Industry of Russia, sipri.org, statanfederalbids.com, sdratfer.com, thebulletin.org, Bulletin of the Atomic Scientists, un.org, worldbank.org, irna.ir, milpac.com, fl-dc.org, Florida Defense Contractors Association, charlestondca.org, the Charleston Defense Contractors Association, daytondefense.org, Dayton Defense Industry Association, defensecontractormarketing.com, dcicontracts.com, en.wikipedia.org/wiki/aegis_defense_services, ipsnews.net, linkedin.com/company/Florida-Defense-Contractors-Association, fsi.no/fsi_english/home, the Norwegian Defense and Security Industries Association, en.wikipedia.org/wiki/list_of_United_States_Defense_Contractors, fcia.org, Fire Stop Contractors International Association, abc.org, Associated Builders and Contractors, ndia.org, National Defense Industrial Association, army-technology.com/contractors/indexatos.html, find leading defense companies providing equipment, products and services to the defense industry, contractorsassociation.org, mcac.ca/links.php, Mechanical Contractors Association of Canada, en.wikipedia.org/wiki/defense_contractor, nqdefense.com, defensecontractormarketing.com, facebook.com/charlestondca, Charleston Defense Contractors Association, sourcewatch.org/index.php title =defense_contractors, wn.com/defense_contractors, defensecommunities.org, mastercraftcollection.com, showcasemodels.com, taiwanairpower.org, budget.mil, United States Department of Defense Budget, weapons and equipment military websites, enemyforces.net, Arms World, Enemy Forces. Information on modern military armament and equipment, including photos and detailed descriptions. defense-update.com, Defense Update. Bi-monthly magazine covering modern defense and technology, with articles and reviews on new products and programs. MilitaryFactory.com, Military Factory. Reference site detailing specification on military weapons from World War II to the modern era. militarypower.com.br/index3.htm, Military Power Review, English edition. A Brazilian site dedicated to military weapons, affairs, photos, and links. Military.cz, military.cz. Includes information about US, British and Russian weapons, aircraft, ships, tanks, fighters, and military technology. Also has photos and videos. NewYorkTimes.com/topic/subject/arms-trade, The New York Times, Arms Trade. Collection of recent and archived news and commentary, photos, multimedia and selected web resources. en.wikipedia.org/wiki/weapons, Wikipedia, weapons. Encyclopedia article. History of weapons through the ages. Chapter 2. The Defense Industry. Defense blogs at military.feedspot.com/defense_blogs. adbr.com.au. africanmilitaryblog.com. iashukla.com. aviationweek.com/defense-space. breakingdefense.com. bulgarianmilitary.com. china-arms.com. china-defense.blogspot.com. chinadefense.blogspot.com. chinese-military-aviation.blogspot.com. darpa.mil/news. dcma.mil. defence-blog.com. defenselover.in. defensenetwork.in. defensenewsindia.com. defensenewsindia.com %252f. defensetalk.com. defense-update.com. defense-aerospace.com. defense-and-freedom.blogspot.com. defense.gov/explore/news/listing. defense.gov/explore/inside-dod/listing. defenseblog-njs.blogspot.com. defensedaily.com. defensenews.com. defenseone.com. defensestatecraft.blogspot.com. defenseworld.net. dsm.forecastinternational.com/wordpress. english.defnsie.nl. forcescast.com. globalsecurityreview.com. idrw.org. indiandefensenews.in. indiastrategic.in. janes.com/defense-news. livefistdefense.com. malaysiamilitarypower.blogspot.com. maxdefense.blogspot.com. military.com/defense-tech. nationaldefensemagazine.org/articles. pacstrategic.com. phdefenseresource.com. chewwa.org. realcleardefense.com. russiandefpolicy.blog. shepherdmedia.com/news. ssbtosuccess.com. thedefensetimes.com. thediplomat.com/category/asia-defense. thevoiceofnation.com. thinkdefense.co.uk. thinkdefense.co.uk/category/blog. thinpinstripheadline.blogspot.com. ukdefensejournal.org.uk. vjdefense.com. Defense studies websites at military.feedspot.com/defense_studies_blogs. defenseinDepth.co. defense-studies.blogspot.com. idsa.in/idsnews/op-eds. kcl.ac.uk/dsd/about/news. thediplomat.com/category/Asia-defense. usafa.edu/news. world.fencenews.blogspot.com